Okay, this is a video for replacing the water filter on an Ikea Nutid Refrigerator French doors. Everything on the internet says Whirlpool, so if you're looking, it is actually a Whirlpool filter. But here it is. I tried to open it earlier, but I was afraid of breaking it, but you really have to kind of pull down and reef on it to open it up. And there it comes out. And as you pull it out, you can see that it is actually a Whirlpool Maytag KitchenAid Amana Gen Air water filter. So it is time to replace your water filter when you see this on your fridge. Anyway, I hope that helps. Thanks. Bye-bye.